Hey guys, it's Hutch, Classic Car Addict, Mesa, Arizona. I want to bring this awesome and highly sought after 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner. This thing is just beautiful. It is done in the option Tor-Red. That's the Plymouth high impact color. It's got your Magnum 500 rims, 446 packs. It's got the shaker hood. It's got the turn signals in that hood. It has the black vinyl seats. It's got the vinyl top. This is everything that you want. This has been highly restored, full frame off rotisserie restoration. It has a date code correct engine, 440, in it, along with the 446 pack intake and heads, and it is supposedly also the internals. Obviously, we have not taken it apart and put it back together again, so I cannot verify on the internals, but it all is said and appears to be and runs as it should. This thing is just absolutely awesome. It's got the pistol grip, everything that you want. It's got the A833 4-speed manual transmission. What else could you want? What we're going to do is give you a startup. We're going to give you a tour of the engine. We're going to go through the exterior, go through the interior, and take you on a test drive. Stay tuned. Hey guys, this is underneath that 1970 Roadrunner. This is an original V-code car. It also does have an original V-code 446 pack. The block does not have the VIN stampings on it, so we cannot confirm it is original to the vehicle. It is and does have all the correct date code stampings and everything directly on the heads, the block, everything like that. There's just no VIN stamp on there, but it is in date code correct. That's what makes this thing just absolutely awesome. Going back, this is your A833 4-speed manual transmission that is also ran by your Hurst shifter. That is just absolutely awesome. That's what's great about this. It's got the pistol grip, everything with it. All of the undercarriage itself is obviously all in great shape. It's all intact, no rust, no rot, anything on it. It's absolutely great shape. It's got Flowmaster exhaust, that is all new. It also does have your Sure Grip, your Dana 60, that is date code correct, original to the vehicle. Fuel tank has been replaced, all of the lines, all the brake lines, everything has been fully replaced. Definitely you can go online. There's over 250 photos of this vehicle on ClassicCarAddict.com, so make sure that you check that out. Let's head into the test drive. And we'll get in here into the trunk. This is obviously very, very well done. You can just tell overall how high quality of restoration that they actually did on this. This is fully painted. You can tell it's been sanded down. This floor is just in great shape. This is not rust. It's literally just some dust collection right in there, all the way in through here. Just beautifully done. Does have an original style jack that has been redone, and also your full-size spare that's been redone as well. Original style stickers, and just in here it's just beautifully done. Just tell the paint quality is in such good shape. All the door fitments, very good shape. And the doors stay open. There's no rips, no tears. Dash pad has no cracks. The dash has no cracks. Hearse shifter, bench seat, rear seat's just in as good a shape. And just walking around here again, got your Roadrunner with its trail. Plymouth paid Warner Brothers $50,000 to use that. Also another $10,000 just to use the horn. VIN is intact. This vinyl roof is in just absolutely great shape. Just tell, no rips, no tears. There is one little place just right here on the other side that I will show you, and it is right here. So I guess it does have a rip. Don't know exactly what that's from, but that is there. That's really the only big flaw that I can really get pointed out on this whole thing. Alright guys, this is your 1970 Roadrunner 440 6-pack. All the gauges do work. The beep beep horn works. All the lights work. Stereo works as well. Solid state. Heat works. Obviously we don't need that today. Wipers, those do work as well. Yeah, all the lights do work. All the windows are actually really nice and smooth as well. Let's just do this drive. Have fun. This one's been sitting for a little while, so we aren't going to go too hard on it. Put a couple gallons of some new fuel in here. Hopefully get it all circulated with some higher octane. Do work, and it does have an additional Bosch temperature. It goes. Obviously I'm not putting much into it. I just don't want to be the one that does the new brake-in. It's got 1,000 miles on it, but it has sit for a little while, so we want to make sure all the oil does circulate in it really well before we really start to hammer into it.